because the algorithm loves watch time. Hey, welcome back YouTube growth family. Today's YouTube growth hack is going to be all about how I put the fun animated stickers in my video, and it is totally free. So I'm going to teach you how I do stickers like this one, and like this one, and banners like this one right here. I hope you're gonna stick it out all the way to the end, because I'm also gonna share with you how many subscribers I've gained since the last Grow With Me on YouTube video. So why do you want to learn how to do this? As we know, the algorithm loves watch time. So the longer people are watching your video, the more likely it is that you're going to become a recommended video. These engaging and fun graphics are going to give your viewers something to keep them entertained, keep them involved in your video while you're giving them your wonderful content. Alright, I'm still new to this, so let's hope that the editing gods are with me. If you're new to my channel, it would mean the world to me if you would go ahead and hit that little red subscribe button. I film Grow With Me on YouTube's on Mondays, Happy Hack, Life Hacks for Happiness on Thursdays, and Sunday Fun Day, which is whatever I want it to be. Here, don't forget to comment below, because I really love shouting out another new content creator in all of my videos. This week, I am shouting out PELE NEWELL. You guys go ahead and check out his channel. His latest video that he's posted is 7 top paying websites for 2020, and he has officially inspired me to join the Amazon affiliation system. He gives great information, so please check him out. And if you would like to get a shout out in my next video, please don't forget to drop a comment down below so I know where to find you. Also, I have a collaboration idea coming up. If you like vision boarding, it's not vision boarding, but if you like vision boarding, then you definitely want to drop me a comment down below. Just make sure that comment says collab so I know what you're interested in, and I'll reach out to you so we can start putting those ideas in motion. All right, folks, that's it, that's all. I'm gonna flip you around and let's get into it. Okay, guys, here we are in the video. It is loaded. I use iMovie, which is on my MacBook Pro. I think my MacBook Pro is like a 2010 edition, and this is just the program that came with it. So I'm not using any kind of fancy program to put these stickers in, and I do think that you should be able to use this system with any editing program. If you're not using iMovie, it's still probably decent to watch, because there should be a way for you to use this in whatever system you're using. I have gone through my clips here, and I have already done some editing. I cut out some of the silly stuff. So basically the video looks how I want it to look. I'll go in and add some transitions and whatnot, but pretty much the video looks how I want it to look for what you guys have just sat there and watched. The clips of the movie all loaded and edited, and now I'm going to make our intro screen. So I've gone onto Canva. I'm gonna go over here to YouTube channel art and click that. Okay, so over here we have all the YouTube channel art. We're just gonna take this blank screen because I saw something that I thought was gonna be really, really fun for our opening screen the other day. So I'm going to go over here to elements, and then I'm gonna scoot down to stickers. So I should note, important to note, that this is the free version. I don't have Canva Pro. I don't pay for any of these things. Maybe I would if there was something I really love, but I haven't thus far. So what I'm gonna do is jump over here where the stickers are. I love all these stickers. I'm going to scroll down over here to confetti stickers. I'm gonna hit see all. And I did already play around with this so it wouldn't take forever with you guys here. But I loved the idea of grabbing this dude and sticking him over here and bringing another one of his friends over here. I'm gonna line him up right there, because I thought that looked, you know, very blow up, let's blow up our YouTube channel vibes. So I'm just going to make him a little bit bigger. I'm gonna make him a little bit bigger. Feel free to fast forward all my fidgeting if you want. And then there was a good friend that was going to look awesome with him. Here he is. So I just went ahead and popped him, and come on, make a couple more of those guys. And move him. All right. So there you go. This is the animated graphic for my opening sequence. So I just went into where the stickers are. I went ahead and grabbed these graphics, and now I'm going to take a title which is going to be in text. And we can drop in any title. It doesn't really matter for me, for you, because it's more about showing you how I'm doing this. So yeah, and it's just that easy. I'm gonna change this. So I'm gonna say, I don't know how to spell, guys, sorry. Let's make fun animated stickers. And then I'll do grow with me on YouTube, etc. I will show you when I have this done. Okay, so we're back in the movie and I'm going to hit download. I'm going to download that animated opening that I just made. It's right here. I'm going to import that guy into my iMovie. I'm gonna drag him down to right here because that's where I want him to live. Delete that. I just put this little background as a place marker so I know that's where I want my opening sequence. And here we go. So of course I need to still do transitions and whatnot, but there is my fun opening graphics. So we like that. Now we're gonna jump back over to Canva because we have some more animated graphics that we need to add in. So we're going to head home, create a design, YouTube channel art. I am sticking with the basic white screen on the background because what we're looking for now is just some more of those animated stickers. So the first one we are going to do is the heart. So the heart is where I said that YouTube loves watch time, and I thought that that was going to be really fun to add in the glowing red heart that is one of my favorite things. So you've seen it in my other videos before. So we're just gonna scroll down here. I mean, there's some different fun things I could use. I could use this love, I could use this love. Oh, you know what? I've never seen this one before, so let's go ahead and use him. He looks super fun. So bring him in. I usually have to jump back. This is a bit not my favorite thing, and there's probably a better way to do it. It's right here. So this is where I want to add that heart. So I really have to kind of guesstimate the size of the heart so that it fits into this. Now this rectangle is going to be the same size as my Canva rectangle. So yeah, that looks pretty good. Maybe just a little bit more over, and I'm gonna really hope that that is aligned properly so I don't have to come back and move it over. Now the important part is this white screen. If you put it in, it doesn't work, so you need to go over here to the color. Again, this is the important part, so this is the trick. This is how I do it, and you're going to type in green, and then you're going to pick the very first green that pops up. Now we're gonna hit download. We'll download this bad boy, and I'll see you in a second. Okay, here we are, we're back, and you can see my little loves icon is right here. So we're going to drag him in, just like you would if you were doing a cutaway. Wherever you want him. Loves, let me see. I'm gonna look at my little eyeballs over there where I'm looking for that cute heart. I feel like that was a little overly animated when I did that for you guys filming it, but for me it was more about wanting, I knew I wanted to do this for you, so that's why I was acting kind of silly there in the opening. So now you click on this so it's highlighted with the yellow, so I know I have selected this, and then we're going to go up here to where it says cutaway, and you're going to drop down and hit blue green screen. I so totally stumbled upon this, and you can see what it did. Like boom. Okay, so if it's on cutaway, it's going to jump from what you're filming to showing this. I'm gonna really walk you through this because I feel like I kind of figured this out on my own. I watched maybe one YouTube video and they went so fast. I was like, I don't understand, and ended up having to figure it out on my own. So if you do cutaway on iMovie, it's going to jump to whatever is over top. I'm gonna do green, blue screen. I've never tried blue. I guess it might work. I just tried the green spontaneously one day. I was like, I wonder if that's gonna work if I put a green background on Canva, and it worked. Thus, here I am filming this video for you. So I hit blue and green screen, and then immediately you can see how that changed so that you can see me. So let's just watch that to make sure that we like it. So I feel like I just want to move that over like a oops. Dun, 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 smidgen maybe. Yeah, that's better. So I set that up. I am gonna add some transitions in here before you see it, but you get the gist. So I am going to do that about 10 more times. Stick it out for the rest of this video if you want to watch me do that. Feel free to crank that speed up to 1.75 and stop where you're interested. I am going to film myself doing all of it in case you want to watch the whole thing. I think this is neat. I can kind of talk to you guys at the same time. So do what works for you. I'm going to keep refilming that. I'm going to keep talking about it. And if you want, you can just hang out with that one. So I'm gonna keep going. Okay, so this is the part of the video in the opening where I said I'm going to teach you how to put these stickers in for free. Now again, I am not using the paid version of Canva, so I am just using the stickers that really are for free. So I'm going to jump over to Canva. I'm going to remake a little free graphic that I like, and I am going to pop it in probably right here. So hang out while I do that. Okay, so this is what I decided to go with. I'm gonna go with these clapping hands because I really do want this video to have a lot of the animated stickers, and I know that I also am going to have the little kids cheering, so you know, clapping hands, cheering kids, that's gonna work really, really well. And I'm just going to add a heading here that says free, and I am going to blow this up to be a bigger size, and I will show you what that looks like when I drop it in the movie. Okay, so here we are. I have imported my graphic over here, and I have dragged and dropped him where I want him to show up in my sequencing. Now remember, the important thing is that you want in Canva to choose a green background, and then anything that you layer on top is going to come over top with you down below. If you hit him, hit the little cutaway tool, which is these layers. This is how you want your, I guess, clips to layer with my very untechnical training and my 1 month of YouTube experience. But you're gonna hit that green screen and then boom, and it's going to look like there we go. So now I'm going to go back over to Canva, and I have that little sequence coming up where I say stickers like this, and banners like these. So I'm going to go over to Canva. I'm going to pick what I want there, and we will come back and drop those in. Okay, so we're back in Canva. I went back to just having my plain green background screen, and now I'm looking for something that is going to be fun and sort of catch the eye for my stickers like these, I'm going to go through these and I will come back and show you what I chose. There's one in here. Oh, this guy right here. I really, really love him. So stickers like these. I think we're gonna pop him in because I think it's just a really fun way to have a graphic. I do need to go back to my movie to make sure that I'm putting it in the right spot. So the first one is up a little bit high. So I'm going to go back to Canva, and yeah, I'll just make him my second one, I think. Yeah, so I'm going to download that guy, and then let's also add, because they do have a lot of really fun social media stickers on here, so I'm going to just wait for this guy to load. So I think we're gonna also add in, okay, we're back. I thought about this a bit more, and I do want to share. It's really interesting, actually. If you go onto the YouTube, you can just do stickers. I'm sorry, if you go onto Canva, you can do stickers in YouTube, and then it gives you, you know, some really great subscribe. This one's free, thumbs up, free, mood, comment below. So a lot of really, really great stickers that you're going to use and totally free. So that is a lot of fun. I'm gonna drag this thumbs up one down here. I'm gonna shrink them, and I think that's about where I say this one. And I think that those two work together well, and I'm going to download him, and they are going to layer really nicely into our movie. All right, so those two dudes are loaded. We are going to, let me see, I pointed to the top first, yeah. So we're going to drag him down. So again, the important thing, if you've skipped ahead in my video, is that on Canva, you have the green screen selected, and then when you drag them in, you go ahead up here to where it says cutaway, and you select the blue split screen. And then I'm going to do him, split screen, and I don't exactly know what I want this transition to look like. These little pull away dots right here, they are going to make this blended. So I think this might blended. I might have to play around with this a little bit. I'm not sure. But let's go ahead and watch this and see how it works. I feel like I bumped you guys.
And like this one.
Okay, so that didn't work. Somehow I have some sort of an overlay.
This one. And then
Oh, I know what's wrong. Okay, so I'm kind of glad this happened because now I can show you guys what I did wrong. Back up here to split screen, select this guy, or sorry, up to the sort of overlay icon, select, and I selected split screen for some reason. Let's actually select the right one. There we go. So,
and like this one. And banners like this one right here.
okay, so we just have to go and make that banner. So hang out and we will see what we come up with there. Okay, so we're back on Canva and we are going to do the banner. So I'm keeping my green backdrop because that's just the easiest way to do it. And we are going to find a banner. So I'm going to head over here to the templates because I know in the template, they already have a fun little banner, and because my video is very green, I need something that has some color. So let's grab him. We're going to get rid of that. I want to move this because I had said that my banner was going to be down below. We are going to go over here and type in green. Now, that's all I do. Green, and the first one that comes up, I plop him in. All right, so there's my green dude. I put him in. I don't want these words, so I'm going to erase them. We are going to go back to the elements. We are going to go back to stickers, and they do have a bunch of fun word stickers. So let's hang out and see what they have. I just ended up going with this little welcome word. Yeah, it's cute. I put the banner here. More importantly, how I'm doing that, the word you can choose can be anything in the sticker. So there's welcome, there's days of the week. So as I was saying before, my SD card died. There are days of the week. That's how I make my graphics for the days of the week. So you can choose whatever word works for you. So we are going to, see, I had to reload some stuff, so let me travel backwards. Okay, we're right here. So we need to stop that guy right about there. So we're gonna back him up. And I'm going to drop in our banner. I'm going to switch it over to green screen. And here we go. There's our banner. So guys, we are at about 17 minutes of a video right now. I was going to show you a bunch more of these, but it's going to take forever. So hopefully that gives you a really good idea of how I'm adding in those graphics. I've showed you how to add in the clapping. I've showed you how I add in that really fun like, the really fun thumbs up, and of course the welcome banners. If you want another one of these videos, let me know and I'll try to condense it to where I am just teaching you the techniques and try not to talk quite so much. So if you think you'd like to see more videos like this, let me know in that comment box down below and I will make some more. I will be back next Monday with another Grow With Me Monday video. I really love sharing this content with you because I really believe that each and every one of us out here learning how to do a YouTube channel has a wonderful message to share with the world. So if I can keep adding value to you by sharing with you what I'm learning as I travel down this road of building my channel, I'm super happy to do that. And as always, I promise that at the end of the Grow With Me on YouTube video, I would let you know where I am at for subscribers today. And right now I am at 108 subscribers. So I broke the 100 subscriber mark. Thank you to everybody who has subscribed to my channel thus far. I truly appreciate the support. And I guess that's about 46 people over my last video. So that's exciting. I am loving that. I am excited to see where I'm at next week. Of course, my focus is about those authentic relationships and providing wonderful content, and I know that the growth will come. So hopefully you liked this video. Please let me know in the comment box down below if you have any questions about my growing my channel and anything you want to see a future video on for this series. I will see you again soon. Bye!